Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Butter the Great, and in this video I broke my sway bar. I don't know what happened. How can I do this to my poor TRX? I'll show you what I mean. As you can see, there used to be a sway bar right there. See, the other side is fine. There goes my sway bar. But when you look down below, there goes my sway bar hanging. It's pretty much exactly how I found it. So, luckily for me, not too much happened to it, but the coating did come off on it because it was dragging against the ground. Everything else appears to be fine. Oh no, come here. Oh. All right. So, no harm, no foul. Okay. Good to go. So open the tailgate. Good looking out, Lowe's. So while that sway bar paint dried a little bit, let me tell you about what happened, right? So, as you all know, I'm the first person to do the sway bar install for the rear on the TRX. I don't really have exact science or exact instructions on how to install the sway bar. So what I believe happened was I didn't have the sway bar end links torqued down enough, so they kind of just backed out over time and it just fell out. So I know exactly when it happened because I felt like a bump, and I thought I just hit something in the road, but I felt like a bump, and all of a sudden I was like, why my TRX feel like it's like all over the place again like it used to? And so it didn't dawn on me until like the next day that, oh yeah, hey, your sway bar end link is hanging down. I'm like, I'm going, why my truck feel like this again? And I didn't even check the sway bar. So a quick little trip to Lowe's, got me a new bolt. Oh, hold on, got me 2 more fender washers, a lock nut. Then I'm gonna put like another bolt on the end of it. That way I can make sure it doesn't back out. Now you can do this different ways. You can do like some little, can't remember which one is the right lock type, usually blue or red. I think blue is the one you can use where you can put it in there and still turn it out. But luckily for me, my end link is not really damaged. It got a couple scuffs on it, but covering her up with some black spray paint gonna prevent it from rusting. And then I'm basically gonna just go ahead and install this back as normal and make sure I tighten it down pretty good. So if you guys done a sway bar mod like I have, just make sure you check to make sure your bolts are still in there, or you end up like me. Okay, I didn't really say it in the other video, but if you want to go to like Lowe's, whatever, you can get these bolts from Lowe's. They're a little bit shorter than the ones you can get from like Ram. Essentially, you need like an M10 by 1.5 by 65. So I got a 60, so that's like what, a 1/4 inch shorter than what it normally would be. So I think I'll be fine. But to give myself some insurance, I'm gonna put a lock washer on there. That way I can help make sure there's tension on the bolt. Yeah, that should be good to go. I must have went over a bump or something because I can't even put it in there like this. That sucker must have really came out of there. Ah, there we go. Sheesh. All right.
Boy, all that like Kenny. Still got crack, they fiendin'. Flow still hot like Phoenix. Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rat like me. And I'm still trying to fight my demons. Cause we all gotta act like Tina. That's why I gotta ride with the Nina. Outside, it's a war going on. Maybe put my hands on my head like the Macarena. They want you walking on board like Tina. Ain't give a F to you like John Cena. Putting blood on the brand new Beamer. Trying to earn these stripes like Adidas. You get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a cheetah. And exposed to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque o no entiendo mi gente must really need Jesus. They shed real blood, I never seen the crypt and I believe it. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy.
So check the other side. See how this side is doing. Oh yeah, that one's a little loose too. So what I'm gonna do with my situation is, I'm going to put me a locking nut.
That's why I gotta watch my demeanor. You know they locking up blacks and Latinos. It's the same old game, ain't nothing really changed but the mileage on the meter of the beamer. You get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a cheetah. And exposed to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque o no entiendo mi gente must really need Jesus.
One down, one to go.
I can do this with my eyes closed.
Here we go. And that should lock it in place. So we got the sway bar fixed. Let's do like a little test drive. Seatbelt on. Now I felt exactly when it happened because, like I said, I felt like a bump. I didn't know what it was. I thought I hit something in the road. It was like a big old bump. And then I was like, why did my TRX feel like it's like loose? Like, am I in like auto mode or something? Like, I'm in Baja mode, and it was still felt kind of loose. There we go. There we go. Feels tight all over again. Yeah, there we go. Feels tight. Feels controllable. It worked. We good to go. So if you guys have recently done a sway bar mod, because I know a lot of you guys have, because from me talking to Johnny and all the stuff going on, looking at the inventory levels for the Hellwig kit, everybody done bought this kit out. So if you guys recently done this, just make sure you check your bolts and make sure you torque them down right now. I don't have an actual torque number because I mean I adapted this kit to work for the TRX. So I think I'm gonna be good with this right here. Using those nuts to put tension on the bolt head. I'm pretty sure that won't let it back off anymore. Oh, and while you're checking your sway bar, right, go ahead and check your lug nut too, because I done had about like 5-6 people reach out to me and tell me that their TRX lug nuts for the wheels were only like hand tight. And I just had somebody just like literally like 2 days ago say the same thing to me about his TRX he just got, and someone else TRX from like a week ago. He said he had this in January and been driving around like that since January. So Batman on the road. But the main thing is just be safe, right? Check your lug nuts because you don't want a wheel falling off, and check your sway bar end-link bolts to make sure those are nice and tight, as you see what happened to mine. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you had an issue with yours where your lug nuts was loose or your in-bar links was loose too, let me know down in the comments below. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you give me like a like, give me a subscribe. Until the next video, I'm out.